Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angie Flemings and welcome to my video. Now, by the title of this video, you already know what this video is about. And I've been waiting and I've been thinking and I've been strategically thinking and planning on how I wanted to do this video. Because I wanted it to be pure. I wanted to show what I'm really representing. So, without further ado, I have my wine. Oh, let's get started. Oh, that's what I have to say. So this is what it looks like. I'm almost out because I love it very much. So I'm just gonna put it on my fingers. Then put it around my head. And then I'm gonna take the Morocco de Gorilla Snout Gel. And I don't use a lot of this because it can create some dandruff problems, but I'll use like this much for my head. All right, now that I'm done, I'm gonna take this short scarf and put it around my edges, just so that these edges can be laid down. First, I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and spray this onto my face. Alright, after the Fix Plus has dried, I'm gonna go ahead and my Sculpting Brow Pencil by Airway Studios, and this was $1 from Shop Mercier. You guys should really check it out. I'll put a link down below. Like, they have a lot of cool products. I'm doing one video where I try all of their products, the food fix products, because I haven't tried some of their foundation or primer yet, but I can't wait. And now I'm going to use my BH Studio Pro by Cosmetics in the shade Ebony. It's a brow pencil, and my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow spoolie and brush. I think I talk too fast. That's why I'm just out here looking for food. And if you see like a random black thing running past me, behind me, next to me, that's just my little dog. But she likes to go everywhere. So if you see that, don't be alarmed. It's just Café. And now I'm going to sculpt these brows using my Eylure concealer in the shade Chestnut. And now I'm going to use this Mary Kay brow gel and go over my brows just to give them that real effect. Concealer by Eylure in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic brush number 103. So now I'm going in the Masquerade mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going in this red color called Zobo right here, and I'm using my e.l.f. blending eye brush. You see him? You see her right there? She's just watching me do my makeup. See, say hi, Kafera. Say hi to YouTube. she's either right there or by my side. Believe me, she's not weird. Not as weird as me. And now for the grease color, I'm using black, and I'm gonna go in my Morphe 35N palette, and I'm going in the shade right here, and I'm using another e.l.f. blending brush. And now I'm gonna go in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in this pretty green right here, and I'm using a BH Cosmetic flathead brush. And now I'm going to use the Essence Waterproof Eyeliner Pen and draw a line. I don't know if I'm going to do a wing line yet. And so I decided to do a wing line, so I'm going to use my NYX Gel Liner in Smudger in the shade Jet Black. And I'm using my liner brush. And for my eyes, for lashes, I'm using Eylure lashes, the LUXE kind. Now these are fierce. I got them especially for this look, and I'm trying to open them. I haven't opened them yet. It comes with glue, but I'll use my own. But look at these lashes. Oh. They are giving me life. For the face, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I'm going to use the Pore Professional Pore Primer. And now for foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Mahogany. And for sponge, I'm using the Juno Fusion Sponge. And I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm ready to try it out. For concealer, under eye concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Rich. And so I'm using this concealer palette thing I've had for a couple years. Like, when I say years, I mean years. And no name label, it has come off. I forgot who is by or where I get it from, but I use this shade to contour, and I just like to spray Fix Plus on it, and then use a brush to contour. And now I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder in the shade Medium Deep. Now I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and go into that green again. And then I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush 105. And I'm going to put that under my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Laura Glitter Bake Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Glided Honey. If you ever think you put too much on, oh my gosh, that's funny. I will crack myself up. You can't have too much highlighter. You can't. I'm just in here shining. Shining, 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 yeah. I sound like Patricia. If you guys don't know who Patricia is, follow her. Patricia Bright. She is hilarious. She is so funny. Now this look was inspired by Black Panther, of course, by Letitia Wright. If I'm saying this right, I am not good with saying names. I'm sorry. Please don't bash me. I am so sorry. But I first saw someone do this video in Shanine's page. Please don't hate me, Shanine, if you see this. I thought it was beautiful, inspiring, so I wanted to do my own version of this look. And so that's why I created this eye look. This is the Black Panther colors, red, green, and black. I wanted to do this look. I will put Shanine's link down below. You guys should check her out. Subscribe to her. She is amazing. I watch all her videos. Like, she is super funny, and she has shade for days. Like, and sometimes she doesn't even mean to. It just comes out naturally, and I love it. I love it. And to put in these white dots, I'm using the NYX White Liquid Liner. And I'm just using the back of the smallest brush back that I have. And for lips, I'm using the AOA Studios Wonder Lipstick 24 Hours in the shade Nightgirl. And now I'm going to go back in my Laura Geller highlighter and my e.l.f. Small Precision Blush Brush and put this on my inner corner. Alright, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Did I do it justice? Don't forget to follow me in my social media, and my Snapchat is ErnanGC3 and my Instagram is ErnanGF. Thank you for watching. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember, go see Black Panther. Mwah. Love you.